Unlocking the meaning of not a day over. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a popular English phrase, not a day over age. It's a phrase you might come across in movies, books, or everyday conversations. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Not a day over age is a compliment usually given to someone to suggest that they look younger than their actual age. For example, if someone is 50 years old and you say they look not a day over 40, you're telling them they look at least 10 years younger than they are. It's a way to flatter someone by commenting on their youthful appearance. This phrase is often used in social situations to make someone feel good about their appearance. It's important to use it appropriately and sincerely to avoid sounding insincere or sarcastic. Here are some tips. Use it as a compliment. It's best received in a light-hearted and friendly context. Be mindful of the situation. While it's a positive remark, timing and relationship with the person matter. It's more appropriate among friends or acquaintances than in formal settings. Pair it with a smile. A genuine compliment is always better received when accompanied by a friendly gesture. Let's look at a few examples to understand how not a day over age can be used in conversations. After meeting a friend you haven't seen in years, you might say, "Wow, you haven't aged a bit. You look not a day over 25. At a family gathering, commenting on a relative's appearance, "I can't believe you're 60. You look not a day over 45. Complimenting a colleague at work, "You're retiring? But you don't look a day over 50. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, not a day over age. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this charming compliment in your English conversations. Remember, the key is to always be sincere and choose the right moment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video, and keep practicing your English.